Tayo lang sa loob.
Well, Reyes drew the attention ng depensa ng Pure Foods. Again, another wide open shot for the big man. Yun ang sinasabi natin kanina.
Sa loob,
Interior defense. And Santa Lucia is doing a good job at doing that.
Oh, foul on Gonzalez.
And he will not be denied. King James for you.
Great job. Despite the tight defense employed on him.
Oh, yes.
Ito, wala nang ibang magagawa sa Raymond Gonzalez yan, oh. Hindi niya tinangtanan. Pero yun, nakashoot pa rin. Si James Yap may foul pa.
Alam mo, partners, shooting na natin ang mga player on the floor. And you look at the size of their heart, you've got to say that King James Yap, he has probably the biggest heart among the players on the floor. He is a former MVP. Not to take anything away from the other players, but he plays with a lot of courage and determination. Plus, getting a lot of brutal punishment from defense.
Palaki pala puso ka. Nagjumtado yan sa carjacking. Wait, 10 seconds na lang. Nalalabas sa ating first quarter. It is a 1-point lead by Santa Lucia. Dennis Miranda. Nabitaw rin. Nakuha ni Marlo Aquino. Pinang foul! Ni Mark Figures. And PJ Simon gets it over to James Yap. Mukhang hindi yata.
Hindi na.
Oo, mukhang hindi na ulit.
After the buzzer.
Pero sa konting-konti na lang yun, ha?
Oo, partner. At hindi lang yun. Yung defense ang ginawa nila against Marlo Aquino on the other end.
Alright, mga kaibigan. Yan po ang ating first quarter score. Just before the start of the second quarter, we'd like to bring in, from the coach's corner, our friend, Coach Norman Black. How does this game look to you now?
Well, Ed, in the first quarter, definitely Syracuse played their game. They got the ball to the guys they know can score. They're able to get to the foul line. 13 out of 14 free throws in that first quarter. They're doing what they do well. On the other side, Santa Lucia hit their three-point shots. That really helped them out because Santa Lucia committed too many turnovers in that first quarter.
Coach Norman, what about the kind of defense that Syracuse is playing on Kelly Williams? First they had Andy Larongan in, then Roger Yap. You think they're doing a good job?
Well, I think Santa Lucia made a point of trying to get the ball to Kelly Williams right away in this basketball game. They set a back screen for him to go down into the post. They really haven't gotten to him to go one-on-one too much yet, but I expect they will go back to that play.
Well, Kelly Williams was just stripped of possession. PJ Simon, coming off the bench, now has 10 points in the game. At lumang na ang Pure Foods in it, 31-28. 3-point lead para sa Pure Foods. Marlo Aquino laban kay Romel Adukul. Binigay kay Kelly Williams. Going baseline, masyado malakas. Tersado yung tira na yun. And as Mark Fingers picks up the rebound, a foul is going to be called on Kelly Williams.
And that's number 2 for Kelly Williams. Again,
Yes.
useless foul nyo. Kaya na nangyari kay Jordan Salvador on the other end.
Gigil foul yun, gigil foul. Gusto makabawi. We are in the second minute of the second quarter of Game 4. James Yap, top of the key. Wala. Williams para sa rebound. Binigay kay Ryan Reyes. Ryan Reyes pulls up. Short jumper by Reyes. Parang wala pahirap-hirap.
At that time, yung focus ng Pure Foods defense was on other players. No? Pinakayaan nila si Ryan Reyes. Do not give someone like Ryan Reyes that kind of an open look.
Akala nila papasa eh.
Oo.
Romel Adukul. Roger Yap, bigyan tumira. Swak na swak.
Now it's that combination once more. Simon at saka si Roger Yap doing a lot of damage here and easing the pressure of James Yap.
7 points for Roger Yap. Marlo Aquino. Laban kay Romel Adukul pa rin. Pumihit. One-hander by Marlo. Tumalog, pumasok. Wow.
He's enjoying an excellent series. Marlo Aquino, this is like a reawakening para sa kanya.
Off the bench, Marlo Aquino with 6 points now. Mark Fingers, banggaan sila dalawa ni Kelly Williams. Roger Yap, picked up by Kelly Williams. Tumaksak ko naman. Oh, what a block! Block by Kelly. Tumaksak ang Santa Lucia, 3-on-2. Oh, hindi nakatingin si Ryan Reyes. Pinasahan ni Derek Miranda. Hindi nakatingin si Ryan Reyes. 3-on-2.
Oo. Ito nangyari kanina, yung excellent defense ni Kelly Williams. Slamming that ball hard against the backboard and triggering the fast break. Alam mo, mautak talaga si Kelly Williams. Huh? Having that ball ricochet against the board gave Santa Lucia an opportunity to run the break.
As James Yap against Joseph Yo. Wala. Romel Adukul.
down on the board.
Yun a power rebound. If I ever saw one.
Oh. And that's his role. You know, before when he was playing the NBA, he was known as a scorer, but in the PBA, nagbago na ang kanyang role, no? He's basically a rebounder, an interior defender.
Not much of a free throw shooter, but he has his days. 35-32, 3-point lead para sa Pure Foods. Joseph Yo. Nakatingin kay Marlo Aquino. Yo takes it inside. Banggaan to the Mark Tigres. And Tigres will be called for the foul. At nagreklamo ang mga Pure Foods. That's the first personal on Mark Tigres. And James Yap goes over to referee Mauricio to plead his case, of course. It's not going to get him anything. Joseph Yo at the line.
Well, Joseph Yo is a very slick player. Tremendous lateral movement and great agility. Kung nakita niya, kapat niya si Mark Fingris, he simply uses lateral movement to move away from the defense, forcing Mark Fingris to make some contact.
Ayun, ayaw magpatalo. 22 points in Game 3 to go with 4 rebounds and 3 assists. One of 2 by Joseph Yo from the line. Pure Foods by 2. 35-33 ang ating score.
Oh, not just James and Kirby for Pure Foods. Ito po nangyari. Rest of the team 24 points. At si Yap Reymundo 11 points. A big reason kung bakit at this point.
Hey! Sumama na ulit. Nagdagdag pa si James Yap. He's got 9 points now. Alam mo, yung posisyon na yan ng Pure Foods, napaka-init, ha? Kanina, inupusahan ni James Yap, pumasok si Jun Simon, Peter Jun Simon sa 10 puntos. Ngayon si James Yap with 9. So between the two of them, 19 points na. Hey, huli! Roger Yap into the front court, and he gets away. Wala! Loose ball picked up by Ryan Reyes, however. Ryan Reyes gets it over to Joseph Yo. Joseph Yo jumps the pass to Dennis Espino. So, traveling foul on Dennis.
That's yung transition defense ng Pure Foods. Alam mo, partner, ang feeling ko, si James Yap, ang mindset niya rito, no tomorrow. Alam niya, hindi siya makakalaro sa linggo. Ibubuhusan niya lahat ngayon. This is a big game for Pure Foods. Game number 4. He's not going to play in Game 5. He's going to try to outdo himself here in this game.
And I'm sure the rest of his teammates also feel the urgency of the situation. The Scrivener with his double team. He kicks it out. Roger Yap misses the shot with loose ball foul. And it's Dennis Espino.
Oh, what a big
Number
fish.
3. Number 3 on Dennis.
That's a big fish. Second quarter lang po tayo. There's still a lot of time left in the first half. 7:55.
So with that, Noy Castillo has just been brought in by Coach Ryan Gregorio.
And Santo Lucia will try to move out Dennis Espino at the next opportunity. Mario Aquino is waiting to replace it.
James Yap. Presión from the King James. Snap shot by James Yap for his 12th point here in the first half. Pure Foods now leading by a 7-point margin. We have a timeout. We'll be right back. Quickly to Viaca Lim and her reporter Kelly Williams. Viaca.
Yes, guys, sa bawat balot at sa pagboto ng best player of the game, binibigyan ng bawat players ng 3 votes. Na-share nga sa amin kanina Kelly kung sino yung mga binoto niya. At aminado siya na inuna niya yung sarili niya. Kung pangalawa si Willie Miller at pangatlo daw si Kirby. And inamin din niya na he feels that he deserves the award kasi he knows the hard work he put on all his games. Back to you guys.
Siyempre naman, pag alam mo talagang buhos na buhos ang trabaho mo, why not?
Pinaghirapan eh.
Why not? Vote for yourself. Be honest. Yan ang tinatawag yan. The truth will out. Sabi ko,
Tama yun. Eh kung boboto, si Obama pa naman eh. Hindi naman siguro iboboto si Hillary. Okay.
hindi talaga.
More assists and turnovers. Ito po ang situation ng Santo Lucia. That's wala nila turnover. Hindi pa lang assist.
Ginolis na naman ni Mariano Aquino's got 8 points in the game. And he cuts the lead of Santa Lucia down to 5 at 40-35. Noy Castillo against Joseph Yo. James Yap pinapatay ni Ryan Reyes. Tatapik si Ryan Reyes. Pinulit ni Joseph Yo. Joseph Yo against Noy Castillo is inside, and there's going to be a foul on Noy Castillo. Sinabi natin, physical, emotional, and that's being borne out by a lot of fouls na ginigive up dito sa laro nito. Kinito, Dennis Espino already has 3 personal fouls in the game.
At nagkaroon na tayo ng technical foul